I'd like to introduce the Tsunami Hatch, which is a fully automated hatch covering system which meets all of the requirements for sealing the hatch, but it gives the opportunity to keep operators off the roof of rail cars. The hatch opens automatically, the car can be loaded, the hatch closes automatically. It also allows us to remove the running boards to the roof of the rail car, which also improves the aerodynamics. The whole concept is reduce labour, improve safety and create greater efficiency for the railroads. The design has met full AAR approval and we believe that this will be able to be retrofitted to any existing rail car. So we're really encouraged by the adoption and the excitement that this has generated within the rail shipper community, and that it's been a long time coming to the US.